In this tutorial, we will cover how to configure a schema map in DataSync. To begin, open DataSync and connect to a source and target. In this case, we're using a simple CSV file and the target is a SQL database. Once these are loaded, DataSync automatically tries to configure your mapping, adding all of the columns available in your source. If we now look at the schema mapping, we can rearrange this as we wish, removing columns by highlighting the column and either clicking delete on your keyboard or delete in the toolbar. We can then add columns to the schema map from the source window, either checking the checkbox or drag and dropping. We can move columns around by using the Move Up and Move Down buttons in the toolbar. Now we need to ensure the source columns are matched to the correct target columns. Change these as you need to by either choosing from the drop-down list or drag and dropping from the target. And finally, make sure to select a unique key column. You can preview the source data selected by clicking Preview A, and you can preview the target data by clicking Preview B.